eyes. I know you love some polka dot creations. Now come learn how it is done. Now we're going to be making this polka dot fabric roses, and they are really beautiful. You can make them in different colors to adorn hair pieces, attachments, sewing appliques, anything. Now what you're just going to be doing is you're going to be getting this polka dot satin ribbon, fold it in like so in a diagonal, and then you're winding it round in small circles. Yes, just fold the diagonal and then wind it round in small circles. Just see as I am trying to sort it out. Now if you see that the small circles is formed, you're going to be using your first two fingers, your thumb and the first finger, to turn, while the thumb and the first finger is going to be used to rotate. So wind and turn, wind and turn, wind and turn. Yes, wind and turn. So that is the basics of this particular centerpiece or fabric roses. You're going to be winding and turning. As you're winding and turning, you're going to be increasing the diameter of the fabric rose, and then when you get to a point, maybe about 4 or 5 winding and turning, you might need a needle and thread to bite it here at the back, just so that it doesn't come off when you leave the fabric rose. Okay, so it depends on whatever diameter that you want it to be. If you want it bigger, if you want it smaller, if you want it medium, it's absolutely up to you. Now I've got some already done, so I'm just going to be using that as an example. So you can see that I'm increasing the diameter even as I'm winding and turning, and that makes it flat, but that makes it also get broader or wider. Okay, so I'm just going to be showing you a few winding and turnings, and that's just about it. You just wind and turn, and then you bite at the back, at a few points, just to ensure that it is secure. And that's how you do this. It's so pretty easy for many of you who are longing to do fabric roses accessories on a large scale professional level, and you just need a training. You need somebody who to hold your hand and get you to. Creative Nuspreneur is your sure bet. So ensure that you send me a DM, or you click on the link at the WhatsApp written links lists, at the description, so you can join the class when we're going to start in January. If you want to order, we also have our Etsy and eBay link. And please, if you're yet to subscribe, if you're yet to follow, if you're yet to like, and you're watching this video till this moment, what are you waiting for? We've got so many other videos for you for fabric roses, especially this one that I did in a Christmas color, and this one that I did also in a plain color. So there's so many other lovely tutorials for you. So make sure you follow this page, make sure you join us, make sure that you follow, make sure you subscribe. It's gonna make my day. So I've cut it out, I've gotten the required diameter that I want, I've cut it out, and all I'm just doing is just getting one final bite, and then I'm forming a knot. Okay, yeah, I'm forming a knot like that, and then you can cut off the excess. Now the professional thing to do when it comes to satin ribbon is to use a source of light to make sure that the edges are well opposed and it doesn't fall off. I'm cutting off the excess thread. Now you can use this in variety of ways. Now the actual using the heat source just to keep it in place, that's it, and then that makes sure that it is secure. You got different colors, and you can use it to do different diverse things. Just let your imagination run wild. Now I used it to make this airband, hair clip, yes, just a mini hair clip. So I put two on top of each other, attached an hair clip, and then I just put that. So we got so many other tutorials for you.